Namaste everyone. My name is Yoshita and today's video is about yoga practice for sound sleep. So today you can use a bolster or you can use a pillow also to make the practice more gentle, comfortable, relaxing that will help to slow down the nervous system and will provide you a slower and a sound sleep. So let's get started. So you have to start sitting in a comfortable cross-leg position, then slowly bring your posture closer towards your abdomen. Then inhale, raise your hands up, and then exhale, slowly lean forward towards the posture. And then stay there for 5. Relax your chest and your spine. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly raise your hands up and exhale, relax. Now you're going to keep the legs in front of you, Paschimottanasana, and the posture over the legs. Today we are not going to do overstretching, so you can keep your knee maybe slightly bended or you can keep it relaxed. No need to overstretch. Then inhale, raise your hands up and exhale. Slowly just hug your posture towards your chest and stay there. Make sure there is no stiffness in any part of your muscle or your joints and just relax for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then inhale, raise your both the hands up and exhale, relax. Now from here, you have to bend the right knee for the Janu Sheshasana and place your posture over the left leg. Then inhale, raise your hands up and exhale. Slowly hug your posture towards your chest. You can do a gentle swing on your hips and then come in the center and slowly just relax for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, raise your hands up and exhale. Hold the posture and then change your leg position. Then slowly raise your hands up again and exhale. Hug the posture to your chest and stay there with a little swinging on your pelvis and just relax for 5. Loosen up your joints. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, relax. Now slowly bring your posture in between both your legs and we are going to slightly bend the posture in the front. You can bring it more closer, then place your both the hands and then slowly just relax your head and start swinging on your pelvis from left to right for 1, 2, and 3. Go to a gentle bend and now we will just stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up and exhale, relax your posture down. So now for the next one, you are going to place your posture behind you and then we are going to lie down over the posture. This time make sure that your neck drop down and you stay there for a few seconds, keeping your knees bended. This will help to relax your cervical vertebrae or your neck and stay there for 5. Loosen up all your joints and your muscles. 4. Just feel yourself completely relaxed. 3, 2, and 1. Now little bit slide down over the posture so that your neck comes on the head. And now we are going to try to push the hip as down as we can until it reaches to the floor. Then you're going to keep your hands slightly wider and bend your both the knees to the left side. And stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to the center and then exhale. Slowly switch your side and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly back to the center. Now from here we are going to push the pelvis up and slowly down for 1, 2, and 3. Now just push your pelvis up and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly relax your hip down. And then slowly with the roll, come up. And then bring your posture under your hips. So you have to keep your hip and lower back over the posture and just lie down. Straighten up your legs and then from there, inhale, raise your hands up. Bend the right knee and hug your knee towards your chest and stay there for 5. Loosen up all the joints. 4. Relax your shoulders. 3, 2, and 1. Relax the right leg. Then bend the left knee and hug your left knee to the chest. Relax your shoulders for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now just bend your both the knees and hug your knees to the chest for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now just straight the legs as much as you can naturally and flex your both the feet. And just relax for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then slowly straighten up your legs and relax. And now slowly from there, move your leg slightly down and bring your posture under your knees so that your knees comes on the posture and you feel completely comfortable and relaxed. Open your hands slightly wider. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. And now for a few minutes, completely relax in the Shavasana. Okay, so this was it about the practice. Make sure to do this practice every day in the night time before you go to sleep. This will surely help you and try to slow down your nervous system. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.